Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Reviewing the account of Niraj. Niraj has been trading with us from the 19th of May up until the date of review, 28th of June 2021. Niraj has had a gain of 7.74%, a daily gain of 0.18%, and a monthly gain of 5.65%, and a drawdown of 4.37%. This is the journey of Niraj. Niraj is now managing $30,000. And he's only traded 65 times within the period of joining us in May. So Niraj is very successful because he's won 59 trades out of 65. And this is the best record I've seen to date. I repeat, the best record to date. He's achieved 91% accuracy on his trades and only lost 6 out of 65. So he's only wrong 9% of the time. And he's won 91%. So this is an exceptional trader, and I see a lot of potential for this trader as well, because you can't get to this level of accuracy without being very consistent and having a solid trading plan. He's done this with a total of 268.4 pips. Now let's look at the summary now and how he done it. He's traded quite a few pairs, but very interestingly, he's taken a big loss on the euro pound for $1,183. But bear that in mind, if you take away this pair, he would have 100% record. 100% record. But I've yet to see 100% record. But if it's very rare that a trader will get 100% record, I'm yet to see that. But taking away this pair, that he's had a significant loss of 29% overall, he will have 100% in terms of his strike rate. So looking at the pairs, I cannot even say best pair of. This trader clearly knows what he's doing. And the biggest gain came on the pound US dollar, followed by the US dollar Swiss franc, and the rest of the gains were just spread accordingly across other pairs, diversified the risk. But the euro pound was a big gamble because you've taken a total of 17 trades and lost 1,183. So just under your drawdown level, just under, because it brought your total drawdown to 4.37%. But overall, you still came back and made 10%. So congratulations and well done. Looking at your monthly analytics, 3.12% in May, 4.48% in June. So that's really good. Looking at your gains, I will recommend you always use a stop loss like everybody else, because not having a stop loss will always expose you to uncertainty. By the end of the day, you know what you're doing. You're a good trader, yet you're still holding trades for just under 12 hours, and you're still getting consistent gains and profit. So you've not violated the total drawdown allowable limit. You've hit your 10%. There's always room for improvement as a trader, but what can you say to a trader who has a 91% accuracy strike rate and only lost 9%? There's not a lot you can say, because even looking at his record, I'm a bit shocked. Out of 65 trades, you won 59 and lost 6. So congratulations, you should even be the one doing this review. This is a very good account. So I challenge you to maintain this strong discipline and consistency, and I look forward to seeing you hit the next level, $60,000 in the next few weeks, because this is not an accident or fluke. This is a trader on a mission with a plan. So I wish you all the best and congratulations on this excellent record.